Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, my today's video is about very beautifully designed designer style, very classy floral hand embroidered mask design ideas. Yes friends, all you could see that very beautifully designed, beautiful small mini medium size flowers along with very beautiful leaves, branches and bunches have been used. And similarly you can make this very beautifully designed butterfly with this little floral patterns. Friends, all of these masks are designer style masks. The only reason to share very beautiful and intricate design ideas with you is to give you some very stylish and creative ideas so that you could remain hooked and you can get trendy ideas that how you can design your own hand embroidered designer style face mask. Friends, as you know that COVID-19 is a very dangerous and pandemic situation. It has affected the whole worldwide human community in a massive number. So the only way to get rid of it or to stay protected from it, to be prevented from it, is to wear masks. And by wearing masks you will not only keep yourself protected but the ones who are near you as well. So if we talk about the embroidery thread used in these patterns, then the embroidery thread could be used as per your choices. You can use anchor, DMC, even you can use embroidery wool thread. And the stitches are commonly used as some basic Mexican embroidery and satin stitch, lazy daisy, the very easy lazy daisy, stem stitch, chain stitch for branches and lines and mini leaves, lazy daisy, and for bigger leaves, fly stitch, and for flowers, fishbone stitch, or you can also use buttonhole stitch. So I hope that you enjoyed my today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with a new video in a new content. Up till then, take care of yourselves.